So, should any species of animal besides humans have equal rights to that of a person? Modern society would say no, even though animal cruelty is illegal and pet owners generally hold their pets in high regard and with love. Scientists generally propose that an animal does not have self-awareness simply because of its primitive brain structure. It is commonly accepted that animals simply cannot think for themselves. Instead, it's been suggested that animals act on simple instincts or elicit automatic, unintentional responses to their environment. It doesn't even know it's alive. It's tricky when challenging this common belief held by the mainstream, as much research or devised tests have indicated time and again that animals lack any form of sophisticated brain function, and therefore they are mindless, for lack of a better synonym. What I propose is that the similarities between humans and animals can be indicative of an alternate reality, where animals are very much conscious and aware. Let me expand on this more thoroughly. Animals, like humans, have 5 senses. They have 2 eyeballs and take in visual sensory data, and the brain then interprets. They have ears just like us, on each side of their head. They hear sound much like any human. More similarities are within the biological organism. A heart that pumps blood, lung capacity to breathe air. They excrete, eat, and have motor function to walk around. They mate and give birth just like us. They have a skeletal structure which is similar in respect to a person, such as arms, legs, spine, skull, etc. So there you have it. The animal is essentially equipped with all the nuts and bolts that make up a human. So why don't they have the same repertoire of intelligences or higher cognitive capacities? Some people would say that brain size is the determinant. Again, let's rationalize this. The contrast in size between a human and an animal brain might very well be the reason we far exceed them in intelligence. But are they really that different in mass? A human brain and the brain of an ant are considerably closer in volume when you compare them to a cosmic body, such as the planet Mars. Moreover, on an atomic scale, if you take into account the size of an atom and the size of a galaxy, you'll find that an ant brain and a human brain are practically inseparable in size. The size difference is negligible. On an atomic scale, the size differences are completely negligible. Sorry if these are not original ideas, or if you've heard this before, but these thoughts have been floating around in my mind for some time, and finally I can let them out.